Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to convert any video into an MP3 for free. I will show you two free methods. So you have a video file and you want to extract the audio from it. Maybe it contains a song, some dialogue, or you just want to do some additional processing with the audio itself. Whatever your reasons, I'll show you a quick and easy way to do just that. Let's go. For the first method, we'll be using VLC Media Player to convert your video. Start by downloading and installing VLC Media Player from Video. The link is in the description. Once it's installed, open it up. If you're on Windows, select Media, then Convert/Save. In the dialog box that appears, click Add to select your video, then click Convert/Save at the bottom. For Windows users, click Browse to choose where to save your new MP3. Enter a file name. Make sure it ends with MP3. Once the process is finished, you'll have your new MP3 file ready to use. And since VLC is a media player that plays pretty much everything, you can preview your new MP3 directly within it. What if you want an alternative way to convert without installing additional software? You can use Online Audio Converter website. Just go to onlineaudioconverter.com, select your video, choose MP3 or another format like WAV and click Convert. Once it's finished, you can simply download your new audio file. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.